Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your fixed Notion desktop app is not working, then watch this video for the solution. If your fixed Notion app is not working, is crashing repeatedly or is hanging or freezing, then the only solution will be to uninstall and reinstall it. For that we need to right click on the start window, go to settings and then click on apps, installed apps and look for the Notion app. Now we found the Notion app, so we will click on the three buttons here and click on uninstall and click on uninstall again. Now once that is done, we'll open the browser, or you can also go to Microsoft Store and search on Bing for the Notion app and click on download. I prefer using Bing because Bing gives me the genuine links to the apps. So click on download and then get Notion free. Continue with Google and then enter your email and download the Notion app and install it. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.